My friends, so yesterday I got my, let's see, what's the exact phrase? Creative Cuts Club package. It's kind of delayed in the postal service a little bit, but I finally got it and I thought I would share it with you. I know people have received them everywhere and have seen videos on them, so there's nothing different that's going to be in mine, but in the event that you have not seen this, I thought I would share it with you. And I do know my plan with it so far is that I'm just going to add it to my videos as I go. I'm not really holding it aside for anything different. So it came packaged in like sturdy bubble packaging with a little cardboard insert inside, which is great because it's cut files, and cut files are kind of wimpy. Now, on the front of this, I have this handy dandy little playing card that was taped down. I'll go get rid of that. It's a cute little doily, a ticket, and this little stuff. So I think we're supposed to hold on to something, or this for something. So I do love that little puffy because I love all things puffy. Okay, so let's see what's in here. I watched one video on it, or maybe I watched Christina's video on it when it first came out, and that was it. I didn't really go anywhere with it after that because I just figured I would play with it as I play with it. All right, so once again, there's another piece of this sturdy cardboard that is in here because cut files are wimpy. And I do like how I've seen people hanging them on a string in different ways. I got to figure out what I'm going to do with that because I've been scrapbooking upstairs in my house this summer. So I don't really have a great place to hang that, but I will come up with something. Okay, so let's see. Oh, we had these in a class before, these cute little candy sticks. Cute. Oh my. Okay. So the good news is my new table will let us see things easily. And I think I'll be able to come in just a little bit. All right. So I guess I'll go like this. We have this really great textured, it's slightly off-white, webby, textured, burlappy. I mean, I can come up with a lot of different words, but very textured stuff here. And then in this handy dandy cute little container, these look like these little Dollar Tree ones. I don't know if it is, but it looks like it. Do I spin it? Do I pop it? We have these great little clear bits as well. Oops, it helps if I'm in frame. So we have these little clear bits as well as itty bitty little seashells. And and then a couple of, I don't know what they really are. There's a little hole in them and they're turquoise. So that would look great, like it's all caught in this little net kind of deal. So we will see what we do with those. No clue yet. Thank goodness that I have some more watery, beachy something layouts to do. So I have that, that's fun. And then next, I have Distress Spray Stain and Blueprint Sketch. I do not have this color, which is very, very cool that I don't have it because I'm fortunate enough. I don't want to wreck the new table, so I'm going to go ahead and use a, gosh, can you imagine if I spilled this right now? There is a ton in this bottle. So I'm going to go ahead, okay, so watered down, this seems to me like it would be a really great denim tone, but right now it is super saturated. I'm going to put my light right up to it so you can get like the full effect. That is, see, hello light. That is a gorgeous, gorgeous tone. It is, I'd say royal blue, but it does have a touch of indigo in it as well. It's not just a straight up royal blue. So that is kind of an interesting color. I would love to mix it with water and see what it looks like really lightened up. I'm going to keep it in here for now because that could get ever so messy. But yeah, great color. I have a trash can right next to where I was filming this, so I get to get rid of my yuck as I go. All right, so nifty little mixed media stuff. I really hope we keep getting mixed media. I don't know, but I hope. All right, so now in this handy dandy little bag, it's packaged really cute. In here, we've got a couple of candy sticks. We've got, let's see, let's get these bits out. An exclusive sequin mix. It's not a full size. It's a kind of a fab size though, because I never use up my sequins, but I'm planning on doing a lot more little clear things on my layouts to get some sequins used up because I love that look. So planning on some goodies to use that with. We've got 2 little paper flowers. They feel like Prima. I don't know if they are or not. I'm sure that there's a listing, but they're in a great little, all right, there's slightly off white and they have a bit of a pumpkin orange polka dot. We have these exclusive handmade epoxy flares. It says my favorite season is flip-flops, and the next one says beach fun and a really great aqua. What are these? Oh, little glittery adhesive bits. Those are fun. I've got 1 cotton round, and this playing card right here has really, really, really wide washi tape on it. And part of me thinks it would be fun, actually a very large part, fun to fussy cut out some of those seashells. Okay, great. So now we're gonna scooch that aside. Oh, and this kit is $17 a month US and free shipping US. I don't know about elsewhere. We have this handy dandy paper towel that we're supposed to learn a technique with, and I don't know what the technique is. We're just gonna wait and see. And then, what else is here? Oh, and what she does is we're supposed to get like 5 or more cut files a month. And what she does is any extra little bits that go to the cut file so they don't get lost, she puts them in these great little envelopes because I've ordered from her store before and she does that. And it is so helpful because there's no way you're going to keep all your stuff straight. All right, so let me show you cut files. And I think I'm going to go ahead and come back out. So we've got a pair of flip-flops that we can use as flip-flops to decorate or cut out the flowers or whatever if you don't have a flip-flop situation on hand. The word play, very cute. Got a very, very large mermaid fishy tail, which that works for my life because I have a daughter who happens to be a mermaid. I know, it's pretty exciting stuff. A sandcastle or a castle. For me, it would probably have to be a sandcastle because I do not have young girls pretending they're princesses that much at this time. I mean, the nickname for one of my daughters actually is Princess. My mother's called her that since the dawn of time, actually from birth. So we have that, but I'm feeling a little more sandcastle. Oh, and I want my flag to go the other way. Not that it matters, but it does to me. All right, so the next word is sunshine, which is cool. Then, I'm going to have to just have that mermaid tail kind of in the corner. We have a very, very, very large, very cool dolphin. It's kind of funny. I start looking right away saying, if I don't want a dolphin, what can I do? And this looks kind of Aztec-y, this part. All right, I'm going to put the dolphin there because I'm running out of room. Okay. Oh, it's a baby dolphin. That's a cute little baby dolphin. How cute is that? So that's a lot finer. Gosh, could I get both dolphins on a page? And then, probably not. They're so big. That would be cute, like a mommy and baby dolphin kind of thing. Okay, dolphins. And then lastly, this very large, oh gosh, let me get this stuff out of the way because you can barely see. It looks like it would be great for an entire background, the seashell scene. But yeah, I'm already picturing the kind of paper that I would want behind it. Oh my goodness. All right, that'll be fun because one of my kits I'm putting together on my channel next month is very, very beachy themed. So I'm coming up with some plans. All right, that is it. Really fun kit. Probably made this video a little longer than necessary, but I did want to check out that blue. All right, I'm going to have to hang up these great little cut files in some way so they don't get tangled. All right, goodbye, my friends. We'll see you later.